nothing petty can get to me. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit of low. Ooh, live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Ooh, live for the moment. Now you get yours and I'll get mine. I wanna sing 1,000 times a day so I could get you higher to the ground. Whatever you need to enjoy the way to be inside the moment of the now. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit of low. Ooh, live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Live for the moment. Now you get yours and I'll get mine. I got this one choice in my pocket and I'm reaching for that place. Gonna pull out all my might and shine away. I got this one choice in my pocket and I'm reaching for that place. Gonna pull with all my might and shine away. Live for the moment. Gonna live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. You get yours and I'll get mine. Get you high. Get you
Being with a good man is so weird. No questions, no suspicions, no sleepless nights wondering where he is. No digging through phones or second-guessing conversations. Just love, peace, and trust.
Filled with pencil marks, and all along you had my heart in love. You're all I need.
Alam kong ito pa lang ang simula ng journey natin. Kung may dumating man na problema sa buhay natin, alam kong makakayanan nating dalawa tong magkasama. Labi, hindi ako magsasawang magsabi sa'yo na mahal kita at sobrang ganda mo. I love you, love you.
Every smile and photograph.
No one comes fully baked. We all grow, learn, and evolve together. And that's what makes love and life so beautiful.
I'm captivated by the things you do. Come on, darling, move in close. I just wanna let you know that love, you're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need.
The perfect marriage, hindi kailangang humanap ka ng perfectong tao, but the perfect marriage is kung saan natanggap ng bawat isa ang kahinaan, na ngayon kayo'y pag-iisahin ng Panginoon, ang kahinaan ninyo bilang isang pamilya, bilang mag-asawa, ay punan ng Panginoon Jesucristo.
To wonder, I will be your rock, your home, your shelter. I believe love. You're all I need. Oh, love, you're all I need.
Once in a lifetime means there's no second chance. So I believe that you and me should grab it while we can and make it last forever. Never give it back. It's our turn and I'm loving where we're at.
Yung regarding kung paano kami nag-start is debut niya. Kasi yung kuya ko is invited. Kasi yung wife ng kuya ko is yung kapatid niyang panganay. Then, ayun, nakita ko yung invitation. Chinat ko siya kung invited ba kami ng mga friends ko, yung mga kasama ko na girlfriend. Ayun, kumbaga, na-invite na din kami. And nagpunta kami, tapos simula nun, nagkausap na kami.
I wanna be close to you.
Ang saya pala sa buhay yun. Ang saya sa feeling na wala kang iniisip. Hayaan mo lang si God kung anong gusto niya. Pa, sa'yo. Ganon. Analay. Ayun. Kaya kinalma niya ako.
You don't have to do this alone. It's not how
Maging masaya siya sa buhay may asawa. Tapos kilala ko naman si Ino na safe naman siya. So, siguro yung moral support na lang ang kailangan namin para sa kanya.
I want you to give this to me. Oh, to be close to you. Oh, to be close to you. Just where you want me to be. I wanna be close to you. I wanna be close to you. Exactly where I'm meant to be. You said, don't pick up.
Thank you, love, dahil inaalagaan mo ako lagi. Ayun nga, lahat ng hindi ko kayang gawin, ikaw gumagawa. Which is napakalaking tulong. Lalo na ang sipag-sipag natin. Lagi tayo sumusunod sa magulang, sa mga kapatid, gano'n. So parang nag-enjoy tayo kapag napapasaya natin yung ibang tao. And ayun, kaya lagi akong masaya kasi lahat ng pagmamahal mo, binigay mo sa akin at umaapaw, kaya nasi-share ko sa ibang tao. Kaya maraming salamat.
Ino, you may now kiss your wife, JC.